I've been an entrepreneur all my life, and there's one thing I'm great at: sales. But it hasn't been easy. I struggled in school, I have ADHD and dysgraphia, which means writing and organizing is tough for me. That's where AI comes in. It's been a game changer, giving me literal superpowers. At my current company, I've generated 7 figures in revenue in just 6 months, doing all the sales by myself. There's no sales team, just me and Rumi, my secret weapon. Rumi isn't just another meeting app. It's like Zoom or Google Meet, but with AI tools that supercharge my results. Rumi records every meeting, gives me real-time insights during sales calls, and if I have met with a prospect in the past, Rumi's meeting memory answers any questions I have before the call. I don't waste time digging through notes. Rumi preps me instantly. My sales process is pretty simple. I listen to the customer, I ask open-ended questions, and tell a story back to the customer using their own words. That's how you build trust and close deals. And Rumi lets me focus on that storytelling instead of note-taking and organizing. What's next for Rumi is even crazier. It'll analyze all my sales data and suggest real-time responses to handle objections and close deals. This is going to be a game changer for sales teams everywhere. If you're not using tools like Rumi, you are leaving money on the table. You can close faster and smarter with Rumi.